Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Embossoming, text 41 of chapter 3, Karma Yoga, the discharge of one's prescribed duty in Krishna's consciousness of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Text 41. Tasmata tvama indriyana yado niyamaya bharatara shabha papamana prajahi hayanam jnana vijnana nashanam. Therefore, O Arjuna, best of the Bharatas, in the very beginning, curb this great symbol of sin lust by regulating the senses and slay this destroyer of knowledge and self realization. The Lord advised Arjuna to regulate the senses from the very beginning so that he could curb the greatest sinful enemy lust, which destroys the urge for self realization and specific knowledge of the self. Jnana refers to knowledge of self as distinguished from non-self, or in other words, knowledge that the spirit soul is not the body. Vijnan refers to specific knowledge of the spirit soul's constitutional position and his relationship with the supreme soul. It is thus explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam 2.9.31. Jnanam parama guhyam me yada vijnana saman vitam sarahasyam tada angam ka gruhana gaditam maya. The knowledge of the self and supreme self is very confidential and mysterious, but such knowledge and specific realization can be understood if explained with their various aspects by the Lord himself. Bhagavad Gita gives us that general and specific knowledge of the self. The living entities are parts and parcels of the Lord's, and therefore they are simply meant to serve the Lord. This consciousness is called Krishna's consciousness. So from the very beginning of life, one has to learn this Krishna's consciousness, and thereby one may become fully Krishna's conscious and act accordingly. Lust is only the perverted reflection of the love of God, which is natural for every living entity. But if one is educated in Krishna's consciousness from the very beginning, that natural love of God cannot deteriorate into lust. When love of God deteriorates into lust, it is very difficult to return to the normal condition. Nonetheless, Krishna's consciousness is so powerful that even a late beginner can become a lover of God by following the regulative principles of devotional service. So from any stage of life or from the time of understanding its urgency, one can begin regulating the senses in Krishna's consciousness, devotional service of the Lord, and turn the lust into love of Godhead, the highest perfectional stage of human life. Thank you.